Anna Rivas here. It is December 18th, 2017. I'm going to be doing Lab 7, which is of the urinary system. So I have already dissected my fetal pig. We're going to be looking at the structures that come together in the fetal pig to form the urinary tract. So we're going to be looking at a cross-section of one kidney, but we're also going to be looking at a kidney and the structures that form with the kidney to make the urinary tract that is still attached in the pig as well. I'm just going to look at the cross-section of the kidney. I changed the view of the camera so we can be more close to the structures that we're going to be looking at. I will be pointing with my tweezers. So we're going to start with the renal cortex, which is the outermost layer of the kidney. Moving inferiorly or moving deep, we have the renal medulla, which are darker in color because they contain the renal pyramids. And the renal pyramids have the capillaries as well as the collecting ducts that help retain water. Renal pyramids. Perfect. Two other structures that you can kind of see on the cross section of the kidney are the kidney arteries and the kidney artery and the kidney vein. So the kidney vein is up here. It did get cut pretty short when dissecting. We'll be able to see a better view of the kidney vein when we look at what is still intact in the pig. But for now, this is the beginning of the kidney vein going into the kidney. And so then we have the kidney artery, which is the bigger part right here, which is easier to see. Another thing I would like to mention is that when dissecting the pig, there was a lot of fat deposits around. You can still kind of see that there's a lot of fat deposits still around the kidney area. And the reason why we do have these fat deposits is just another form of protection for the kidneys. Another thing I would like to show before we exit this picture is that around the kidneys there was a lot of fat deposits. As you can see, there's still plenty of fat deposits around the kidney area. The fat deposits are just another form of protection, the fat padding for the kidneys, since the kidneys are not completely covered by the ribs. And that wraps up Lab 7, where we went over the urinary structures that make up the urinary tract inside my fetal pig. So we had what we looked over interiorly of the kidney with the cross-section of the kidney, as well as the exterior structures around the kidney that help come together and form that urinary tract. Thank you very much for watching.